Hi guys, thanks for stopping by my channel and clicking on to my video. I very much appreciate it. Today's video is going to be something of a beauty. Hi guys, it's Jan from Jandle in the City. If you're new to my channel or if you're returning, welcome or welcome back. My channel is all about luxury unboxing, pre-loved, and on occasion some beauty products. If you feel that this might be something you're interested in, please hit that subscribe button, click that notification bell, and you'll know when I've uploaded new videos. So if you want to see what I'm unboxing today, keep on watching. So today, guys, I do have something of a beauty nature that came in this box here. So we'll go ahead and we'll unpack it. I've gone ahead and cut the tape off. So guys, I did do a purchase online from thebay.com. And I'm here in Canada. I did pick up some things from Estee Lauder. So let's go ahead, guys, and see what I got. Remove the paper. I did pick up this little item we'll start with first. Let me read the English for you. This is called Beautiful Eyes, Protect and Hydrate. And you got 3 products here. A day wear eye, a day wear gel, and also an advanced night repair in this kit. This was 58 Canadian dollars. So let's go ahead, guys, and we'll start with this one. And if you purchase this, I'll show you the gift with purchase. So we'll start off, let me just put this down, with the Estee Lauder Night Repair Serum. Go ahead and open it up. And it is just a liquid there. There's no stopper on it. There is the cream, guys, for the eye. Go ahead and open that so you can have a peek. Oh, it's very soft and not heavy weighted like you can get some creams. So that is that one there. And let's take out this one. This one is a Day Eye Cooling Antioxidant Moisture Gel. And this one is a full size Estee Lauder on the top. Go ahead and take the lid off here. And it is like a very light green gel in that one. So I got these 3 guys for $58, $35 gift card towards a purchase there. It also came with this man-made luggage tag that says Estee Lauder on it. It also came in French, as well as some information in regards to the products. So if you purchased the $58 item there, this is what you got with it, guys. So you did get this with it, guys. And it is a really nice travel pouch. I really like the stickers that are on here, front and back. It's really nice. So let's go ahead, guys, and open it up inside. Really nice gift for free for purchasing $58. Here is what came inside, guys. Let's go take a look at all of these goodies. Open up the bag. And it did come with these stickers here as well. The eyeliner I had to purchase separately, so they packaged it and put it in here with me. So let's go ahead. This one is in called Onyx number 10. This is what it looks like, guys. It's double-ended, so you get your beautiful eyeliner. It is so nice and soft. You get the eyeliner, and then on the other edge you get a smearing brush, and it's like a foam on the end of it. Once again, that one is in 10 Onyx by Estee Lauder. Then in the bag, you got 6 products. This is the foaming cleanser. Really, really nice size, 1 fluid ounce. Really nice, can't wait to use that. And then this one came in the container, Resilience Multi-Effects. This is for the face and neck cream. Go ahead and we'll open that one. And it is a thicker consistency. Very, very light scent to it. Very nice size. Then you also got Multi-Effect Night. There it is there, guys. And they're really nice sizes for $58. You also got another Estee Lauder Night Repair. And it also came with this really nice mascara. Right there, great for putting in your bag. Let's take a look at this one, guys. Look at the size of this wand. You're for sure not going to miss any eyelashes with that. Looks like a nice consistency in the ingredients there. Really nice lipstick. Look at the palm trees on that. Does that not make you want to go on a holiday? Go ahead and pop the top off. Look at the color, guys. It's a very soft pink. Let's go ahead and swatch it. Oh, it's very nice and creamy. Not too thick like some lipsticks can be. Not too glossy. You can add a gloss if you want more gloss. So that is the lipstick, guys. So those are the items that came with this purchase of $58. You get this really nice bag. You get stickers. You get the hang tag. And you get all of the free products. So I think that is an amazing item for $58 with all of the free gifts. So guys, that was my short video today on a Estee Lauder unboxing. So head over to the channel at thebay.com or wherever you're at and see if they are selling this kit still. So it's an amazing kit. You get, like I said, the 3 products, $58 Canadian. You also get the bag and also the goodies. I think that's an amazing deal. So if you haven't subscribed to my channel, guys, hit that subscribe button, click that notification bell, follow me over on Instagram at Jandle Smith. So guys, remember, define your style. Don't be afraid to express it, because that's who you are. So stay safe, guys. Till next time, bye-bye.